Hi guys, naami sa lake, naami sa summer house. Tanaw na ako ang lake. Di na kumakatakaw sa lake kay nagkahilos nagsugod ang ice. Wow! It's so tugnaw, nagkurog-kurog ko. Oh, tanawa oh. Na, ka-ice no. Frozen, pero di na ako kalakaw sa yang. Oh, I cannot walk anymore. Nahilis na sugod, oh. Na-ice na siya tanan. Ay, kurog na. Nagkurog. I'm shaking.
Yeah.
It's very cold.
Yes, it's cold.
Oh, my dear, your footsteps.
Yes, yes,
My dear's footsteps. Oh, tanawan ninyo.
yes.
Nag-ice fishing siya dira ay. Kang naibangag, nag-ice fishing siya kana oh. Diha. Pero karon kay not anymore. Nahilis ng ice. Tugnawa. It's very cold. Nagkurog-kurog man ko eh. It's so nice. And it's so peaceful. Oh. Paminawan ninyo. Wa may madog no. Amazing. I miss this stillness, quietness of nature.
Yes.
Oh, it's so nice. You cannot really hear any sound of cars,
No, no sound.
people.
No sound made of humans.
Yeah,
Nothing.
Huh?
Silence.
silence,
Only sounds of nature.
nature. Oh, listen, paminawan ninyo guys. Oh, oh unsa man yung nadungog? Wala no.